Turning heads. Understanding this engaging English idiom. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, turning heads. It's an idiom that you might hear in everyday conversations or see in books and movies. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Stay tuned to become a pro at using this expression. Turning heads is an idiom that describes the act of attracting a lot of attention or causing people to notice. It's often used when someone looks so good or is doing something so interesting that people can't help but look at them. The phrase paints a picture of people literally turning their heads to see what's so eye-catching. Now, let's look at how to use turning heads in sentences. 1. Fashion context. She was turning heads at the party with her stunning dress. 2. Talent or skill. His incredible piano performance turned heads at the concert. 3. Innovation or uniqueness. The new electric car model is turning heads in the automotive industry. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from fashion and talent to innovation. While using turning heads, be cautious not to confuse it with literal head movements. It's a metaphorical phrase. For example, it's incorrect to say, "He turned his head and saw a bird." This is a literal action, not related to the idiom. The phrase can be slightly altered while retaining its meaning. For instance, heads are turning because of her new hairstyle. Their groundbreaking research has been turning heads. Turning heads is a great idiom to describe situations where someone or something is getting a lot of attention. It's versatile and can add flair to your English conversations. Practice using this phrase in different contexts, and soon, you'll be turning heads with your English skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your language learning journey.